Hey guitar players, welcome back to Easy Guitar Practice. Let's go ahead and review this exercise before breaking it down. The shape that we're using is based on a very simple pentatonic shape that I think we're all introduced to fairly early on when we're playing guitar. And this is to really help all of you grasp the additional notes that we have access to when we're playing in a simple blues jam. Before I give you the specific notes, if you're looking for the right context in which to use this scale, just listen to a variety of Stevie Ray Vaughan songs and you'll hear all of the creative ways in which he throws in the additional notes. Alright, so we're in the key of B. This would be great for a B7 blues. We're starting on the low E string with 7, 9, 10. Then we move up to the A string for 7, 8, 9. Then we move up to the D string for 7 and 9. We move up to the G string for 7, 8, 9. We go to the B string for 7, 9, 10. We finish on the high E string with 7, 9, 10. Go through this at a comfortable pace to really make sure that those additional notes are sinking in, and then go ahead and move on to all the songs and solos you want to learn, and we'll see you next time.